Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the double displacement precipitation reaction of magnesium sulfate and sodium hydroxide. Check this out. All I'm using in this reaction are a couple of graduated cylinders with 60 milliliters of distilled water, your magnesium sulfate, your sodium hydroxide over here, a dropper. If you want to display this for a classroom, I'm using a document camera and a petri dish to display this on my whiteboard. Begin by adding 4 grams of sodium hydroxide to 60 milliliters of water until you have an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Next, add 4 grams of magnesium sulfate to your second graduated cylinder of 60 milliliters of distilled water until you have an aqueous solution. Once the magnesium sulfate has completely dissolved in your graduated cylinder, add a little bit to your petri dish to display with your document camera. Okay, now I'm ready to add drops of my sodium hydroxide solution over here with my solution of magnesium sulfate over here. And right away, you'll see the precipitant form, and that's the solid magnesium hydroxide. There it is. A few more. I want to see what this looks like on the document camera. On my whiteboard, you can see how neat this looks using the document camera. You can really see that precipitant up close if you want your whole classroom to see the reaction. Here's what it looks like if I add a lot of sodium hydroxide to the graduated cylinder all at once. You can really see that solid magnesium hydroxide. It's completely insoluble. You can see some of it suspended near the bottom. Okay, let's take a look at our reactants and our products in this experiment. I have magnesium sulfate, that's also known as Epsom salts, and I'm adding that to sodium hydroxide. The magnesium and the sodium are going to trade places. So that creates the product magnesium hydroxide, which is insoluble. That's used as a laxative. It's also used to treat heartburn. And another product is sodium sulfate. And sodium sulfate is used in the craft process for making paper pulp. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.